Welcome to cookmydish.in. This recipe is prawns ambo teek. What is ambo teek? Ambo means sour. Teek यानी कि तीखा. यानी कि ये डिश तीखी है और काफी खट्टी भी है. यानी कि लाजवाब है. Let's start cooking. इसके लिए I have some prawns which I'm going to lightly marinate with a little bit of salt and a little bit of turmeric powder. Nicely mix it up. We need some dried red chilies, which is right here. We have some cinnamon sticks, thoda jeera, ilaichi, imli, sugar यानी कि शक्कर. तो जब आप टैमरिंड और शुगर को मिक्स करोगे और वो जो स्वीट एंड सावर इफेक्ट आएगा वो परफेक्टली आएगा और द तीक इज गोइंग टू कम from the chilies. Black peppercorns, a little bit of oil and some salt. Now let's grind it into a nice paste. Now while these are half ground, I'm going to be adding some chopped onion into this. And some ginger and garlic paste. Just a touch of coriander. Masala ready, prawns marinating. I've got about almost 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is recommended in this recipe because sometimes if you use a stronger kind of oil like olive oil, you might not, it interferes into the flavor of the recipe. Vegetable oil used in moderation is pretty good. So let's start by frying this masala. Fabulous. Now I'm going to actually fry this masala on a lower heat. You have to be careful जब भी आप मसाले फ्राई कर रहे हो. अगर आप बहुत ही हाई फ्लेम पे रखोगे और उसे नहीं देखोगे बराबर, मसाला जल जाता है वो. इसलिए I like to cook the masalas on a moderate heat, so I could actually control them. Nice wet masala, beautifully done. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to fry it a little bit. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा पानी and some nice freshly chopped tomatoes. Once the gravy starts simmering, 6 to 7 minutes. After this, just slide in the prawns. Another 2 and 3 minutes, you have the best ambo teek right there in your house. So as you can see, the masala is nicely being fried. A nice, beautiful aroma is coming out from here as well. Fabulous. Now let's add some water into this. And as you can see, we're going to just mix it right in, and you can see there is a beginning or a formation of this fabulous curry. So just giving it a little mix so that it's nicely come together, and some freshly chopped tomatoes. Nothing is better than fresh. The tomatoes add a very nice, another different kind of souring dimension to this dish, and also it gives a good body to the gravy. Fabulous. Just going to put it on a slight simmer for a couple of minutes before I add the prawns into the dish. The gravy, perfectly ready. As you can see, it's reduced. The onions, the tomatoes, the spices have given a beautiful, nice, thick and rich look to this gravy. Let's add some prawns into this. अगर आप चाहें ये रेसिपी एक अच्छी फिश के साथ भी बना सकते हो. A nice firm fish will go very well for this. Now we have the prawns in here. इसको हम अभी कवर कर लेंगे. And in about 3 to 4 minutes, your prawn ambo teek is ready. Perfectly with some nice steamed rice, or if you like a jeera rice, perfect with this. Oh, the lovely flavor of the prawns is coming through very, very beautifully. The gravy, nice and thick. All I need to do is add a bit of chopped coriander into this. Fabulous. And what I'm going to do is just add a touch of a little more tamarind into this. Superb. Now it's time to plate up. A fabulous gravy, perfectly thick. As I said, the onions and the tomatoes and the spices give this a smashing consistency. Oh, yummy. Nicely sprinkled on the top to give that extra punch to this recipe. Prawns ambotik, 500 grams prawns peeled deveined, 6 red Kashmiri chilies, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 20 peppercorns, 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 green cardamom, 10 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, half a cup water or as required, 4 to 5 trifle spice or Sichuan pepper, salt to taste, coriander sprigs to garnish. I have some prawns with a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric powder. Nicely mix it up. We need some dried red chilies. We have some cinnamon stick, thoda jeera, elaichi, imli, sugar, yani ke shakkar, black peppercorns, a little bit of oil and some salt. Some chopped onion into this and some ginger and garlic paste. Coriander. Now let's grind it. So let's start by frying this masala. Now let's add some water into this and some freshly chopped tomatoes. Just going to put it on a slight simmer. Let's add some prawns into this and in about 3 to 4 minutes, your prawn ambotik is ready. The yummiest prawn ambotik only on cookmydish.in. Enjoy!